अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सभी बखैरियत होंगे। आज का जो हमारा लेक्चर है वो सॉल्व्ड एक्सरसाइज ऑफ सेकेंडरी इंग्लिश यूनिट 2 द लास्ट लेसन रिटन बाय अल्फोंसे डोडेट। इस वीडियो के अंदर हम प्री रीडिंग, वाइल रीडिंग और क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे, जिन्हें बहुत ही आसान और कॉम्प्रिहेंसिबल वे के अंदर यहाँ पे इलस्ट्रेट किया गया है। और ना सिर्फ ये कि इंग्लिश टेक्स्ट बल्कि उसकी उर्दू ट्रांसलेशन भी फॉर अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग प्रोवाइड की गई है। सो आगाज़ करते हैं प्री रीडिंग शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन से। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई इज द मदर टंग कंसिडर्ड a vital part of a person's cultural identity? The answer is, the mother tongue connects a person with their culture, history, traditions, and identity. It gives a person a strong sense of belonging and pride. The second question is, how does losing one's mother tongue affect an individual and community's sense of belonging and pride? Losing the mother tongue can weaken a person's connection with their culture and history. It may also reduce the community's sense of belonging, identity, and national pride. हजरात, हमारे पास जो प्री रीडिंग क्वेश्चंस थे वो सिर्फ दो ही थे। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास वाइल्ड रीडिंग क्वेश्चंस है और उसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, Why was the school unusually quiet when the narrator arrived late? The school was unusually quiet because it was the last French lesson. Everyone was serious and sad because French was going to be replaced by German. Why did the narrator feel sorry during his last French lesson? Franz felt sorry because he realized that he had not valued his French lessons before. He was also sad that he would never see M. Hamel or study French there again. The third question is, what did M. Hamel say about the importance of French language? M. Hamel said that French was the most beautiful, clearest, and most logical language. He advised the people to guard and never forget it because language could preserve their identity and freedom. इसके बाद हमारे पास क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई वाज फ्रांस अफ्रेड ऑफ गोइंग टू स्कूल दैट मॉर्निंग? फ्रांस वाज अफ्रेड बिकॉज ही वाज लेट फॉर स्कूल एंड एम हेमल हैड सेड दैट ही वुड क्वेश्चन द स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट पार्टिसिपल्स व्हिच फ्रांस डिड नॉट नो. द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट टेम्प्टेड? टेम्प्ट करना कहते हैं किसी चीज़ पर आमादा करना, किसी चीज़ पर उकसाना. What tempted Franz to skip school and spend the day outside? The warm, bright weather, chirping birds, open fields, and drilling Prussian soldiers tempted Franz to skip school. What unusual things did Franz notice when he reached the school? He found the school unusually quiet. M. Hamel was wearing his special clothes and the village elders were sitting at the back of the classroom. Question number 4 is, why were the village people sitting at the back of the classroom? They came to attend the last French lesson, to thank M. Hamel for his 40 years of service and to show their respect for their lost country. Question number 5 is, what news had come from the bulletin board near the town hall? The bulletin board announced that an order had come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. The question number 6 is, what did M. Hamel say about the French language? He said that French was the most beautiful, clearest, and most logical language. He urged the people to guard it and never forget it. Question number 7 is, how did Franz's feelings about school, books, and M. Hamel change during the lesson? Franz began to love and value his school, books, and M. Hamel. He regretted not learning his lessons and felt sad about losing his teacher and French language. What emotions did the people in the classroom feel during the last lesson? Give two examples. The answer is they felt sadness and regret. They were sad about losing their French language and regretted not valuing it in their education earlier. Why did M. Hamel wear his special clothes that day? M. Hamel wore his fine Sunday clothes to honor the last French lesson and to mark its importance. Question number 10 is, what was the significance of the phrase Vive la France written on the blackboard? Vive la France means long live France. It expressed M. Hamel's love, patriotism, and loyalty to France at the end of the last French lesson.